KashKick VIP status depends on your account activity, eligibility, and the benefits available to your account, so not every user will see the same VIP options. By the end, you'll know what KashKick VIP means, how to check if you qualify, and whether reaching a higher tier is worth focusing on. KashKick VIP tiers are designed to recognize active users and may provide additional account benefits compared with standard accounts. The first step is checking your own KashKick account, because VIP availability and features can vary. Open the app or website and look for any VIP information, tier status or account notifications. If you do not see a VIP option, that usually means the feature is not currently available for your account, or you have not met the requirements connected to it. Your account activity can affect your eligibility. Completing available offers, keeping your account information updated, and using the platform normally can help your account stay in good standing. Before trying to reach a VIP tier, check what benefits are actually listed for your account. A higher tier is only useful if the available rewards or features match how you use KashKick. For example, if you rarely use the platform, spending extra time chasing a tier may not provide much value. If you already complete offers regularly, a VIP program may be more relevant because you are already active. You should also check the requirements before making decisions. Do not rely on information from other users because VIP rules and available features can change. If you believe you qualify for VIP, but do not see an update, review your profile details and contact KashKick support. Include your account email and explain what VIP information you expected to see. A clear support request gives the team the details needed to check your account status. The best way to decide if KashKick VIP is worth it is to compare the benefits shown in your account with the amount of time you already spend using the platform. The main points are simple. Check your current VIP status, review the benefits available to you, and only focus on reaching a higher tier if the rewards match your usage. Open KashKick and check your account section for VIP details before changing how you use the app. Subscribe for more KashKick guides and app troubleshooting tips. And like the video if it helped you understand the VIP tier system.